In 2021, we left our good-paying jobs close to the city of Philadelphia and headed for a country life in the mountains of West Virginia. We had a piece of land, a camper, a dream, and each other. Since then, we've worked hard to start our life here, and we're taking on the biggest challenge of our lives, finishing our Barndominium dream home. Our biggest hope is to inspire others through our journey, because it is possible to follow your dreams. When we moved to our property 2 years ago, our plan was to have someone else build our house for us. Nevertheless, here we are, finishing out the interior of our house. And this week, we're tackling more doors, kitchen projects, and trim, including the baseboards. We are back in the kitchen and we are installing our upper cabinets. Now we chose to only do upper cabinets on the one side of our wall above our range, and we chose just not to do any upper cabinets on the wall above our sink where our big windows are. We're just gonna leave that nice and open and airy. All right, our upper cabinets are in, and now we're going to move on to barn doors.
All right, so we just got our shipment for now the installation of our barn doors. As you can see, they are not built yet. So this is what Mandy and I are going to put together right now. So yeah, I'll be honest with you. I wasn't expecting this, but it's okay. We're gonna put them together. I was expecting them to already be built, but we saved a little bit of money, so it's okay. So we're gonna get cracking and we're gonna get working on them right now.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Tonight we gonna let it rain. Just like the sunrise, we gonna let it rain.
When it came to figuring out what color stain we wanted to do for these doors, we were back and forth a bunch. And actually, by happy accident, right here is the seat to the chairs that we decided to order for our island. And when you order something online, it's hard to tell what color it's going to be. But when it came in, we just loved it. So we took it to the store and we matched it as close as we could to the closest stain. That's what we're going to do our doors in. Let us know in the comments what you guys think.
The doors are completed. Check. Now what are we on to?
We're gonna start baseboards. Exciting, right?
Last time I thought a project wasn't going to be difficult, it was. So I'm not even going to assume. I'm just going to go for it and hope for the best. We kind of already assigned each other assignments. This one's a little intimidated by the finish nailer, so I'm going to do that while you're going to cut and
yeah, I don't mind the brad nailer. The brad nailer's not too bad. It's a light little, but the finish nailer's a little loud and it's just a little intimidating. I feel like I could do it if I put the earphones on.
Yeah, but it's okay. I don't mind. So that's how you kind of have to work together as a team. You just kind of decide which person's going to do what, and then the other person does the other part, and you both come to an agreement, and then you just move forward. And it's worked well for us throughout this house build. So something to think about if you're working with someone else. Who is more comfortable to do one thing over the other, right?
Yeah. And we have done some research and, talked through how we're going to do our baseboards. They're just simple, craftsman style, clean lines kind of baseboards. We just want it nice and easy and not a whole bunch of grooves in it to collect dust.
So they're already painted white. We went back and forth. Do we go over it again? I know a lot of people may recommend it, but they look fantastic. So I'm not wasting paint or time.
They're not just primed, they're actually like a little glossy already. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna install them and we're gonna fill back in the finish nail holes and then see how it looks. Do we need to at that point repaint or not? So yeah. All right, ready?
All right, yep, let's do it.
Okay. Oh, how far we've come in this one short year to this beautiful house where nothingness once stood. We are so humbled and grateful that you guys are joining us for this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with a friend, and we will see you guys next time.